I'm Danielle Cook, and I want to welcome you to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. We will be with you every week for as long as the U.S. Botanic Garden is unable to offer its regular on-site programming. And as we move into summer, we're going to be working with some delicious produce. Today, I've got a great zucchini salad that we're going to work on, and we're also going to pay a visit to the other cook sister, Adrienne, who's going to share some tips on zucchini care. So let's get started.
Hi, welcome to my garden. I'm Adrienne, and today we're going to be talking about zucchini care. So let's get started. As tempting as it might be to begin picking those beautiful zucchini blooms, wait until after you've begun harvesting zucchini to do that. Zucchinis need pollination to produce. Male flowers to pollinate the female flowers. You can recognize the female flowers because they're always attached to a young zucchini. Here's one that's going to be ready to pick in about a week, or maybe less.
Let's make our zucchini salad with lemon, herbs, and ricotta. Start by thinly slicing 2 medium zucchini, about 1/2 pound, and transfer them to a bowl. Finely mince 2 teaspoons of fresh rosemary and put that in a small mixing bowl. Zest 1 lemon and set that aside. Now juice the lemon and add that juice to the minced rosemary, along with a teaspoon of honey. Add a nice pinch of salt, stir your dressing, add it to your zucchini slices, and marinate for 15 minutes. In a separate bowl, mix together 1/2 cup of ricotta, your lemon zest, and 2 tablespoons of good olive oil. This is our yum dollop for the top of the salad. We're going to toast 1/4 cup of pistachios and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds until they're brown and fragrant. Take them off the heat and let them cool completely before you chop them. I like to do this by putting them in a plastic bag and pounding them with a meat tenderizer. On to our fresh herbs. You need 1/2 to 1 cup of a mix of fresh herbs. These are from my garden: chives, parsley, and mint. Assemble the salad, take about half the herbs and mix them into the zucchini. Transfer the zucchini to your platter. Add your dollops of ricotta, some more fresh herbs, and your pistachios with the sesame seeds. Yum! Thanks for joining us. I'll see you next week when we're going to enjoy blueberries.